There we go. Yep, high wind warning. Here we go.
In Ohio, Medina, Portage, Summit, and Trumbull. High wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Lorain, Medina, Summit, Portage, and Trumbull counties. When? From 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. Highest winds will likely occur during the afternoon hours. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.
Okay, wasn't expecting another one.
A weather message. For the following counties in Ohio, Lorain, Medina, Portage, Summit, and Trumbull. High wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. to
That is a high wind watch.
Daylight Time Monday. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour expected. Where? Lorain, Medina, Summit, Portage, and Trumbull counties. When? From 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. Highest winds will likely occur during the afternoon hours. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. The extended forecast for northeast inland Ohio.
Okay, wasn't expecting that.
Sunny in the morning and mostly cloudy with a chance of rain showers in the afternoon.
In that case, I should probably pull up my IEM bot here.
Chance of rain 30%. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. A chance of rain and snow showers. Lows in the upper 20s.
Alright, I'm ready to go.
Precipitation 30%. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Friday, a chance of snow showers in the morning.
Sorry for that interruption there.
A chance of rain showers.
That's fine.
Highs around 50. Chance of precipitation.
That was a total fail, though. It was 2 high wind warnings, but one of them was toned as a high wind watch. That was a fail.
Lows in the mid-30s. Saturday, partly sunny. A chance of showers
Oh well.
in the